couple new things in from POPFLEX. You know, I'm always so excited to get new workout clothes. It really does motivate me to work out. So let's see what we got. I got a little summery Skort and long sleeve top, but it's cropped and it's pink. And then I also got a dress, which I've never tried any of their dresses on. Their packaging is so adorable. We love supporting our YouTube Pilates girls. So let's see. Let's go with the pink one first. I'm curious. I am a vegetable. Oh, that's cool. The plastic is made from corn. I love seeing that. I noticed the box was also recyclable. Okay, so I think this is the Skort. So this is bubblegum pink. Super cute. We're going to try it on after we open it up. This is the Twirl Skort. Okay, so it does have built-in shorts, which is great. Pretty much prefer that if I'm wearing like an athletic kind of skirt or dress. And I got it in extra small. It's super soft. So I'm excited to try that on with you guys. And then let's see, we got the matching top. It is long sleeve. It's a crop top. Bubblegum and extra small is what I got. Oh yeah. To me, by like just seeing it, I think I got the right sizes, but we'll test it out. I'll give you all my measurements and stuff too when I try this on. And then I got the dress. So let's see what this looks like. This is the Skate the Day Away dress. Cool black. I also got an extra small in this. Ooh, and this also has a built-in bra. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I feel like this is that little black dress statement. And the tie back is cute. Okay. So let's try them on. First up, we are trying on the Twirl skirt. I felt like I just had to start this off twirling. And the bubblegum pink. I'm wearing extra small in both. And then this is the Sweetheart long sleeve crop top. I love this. I already know my sister's going to try to steal this from me. She loves an athletic skirt. It's actually Skort. So just so everybody knows, there are built-in shorts. This is super cute. Now, I just tried everything on straight out of the box. Like I made no adjustments whatsoever. It's very soft. Checking myself out in the mirror. It has the thumb holes. So when it gets colder in the winter, that's going to be really great. I also think this, you know, it does have like the tennis athletic wear look, but it's also really cute. Like I would definitely wear this to like a barbecue, the beach. You know, it's not so just athletic. It's very, in my opinion, could be taken out to brunch. Another very twirlable dress. This is the Skate the Day Away, got tongue-tied, black dress. It is so cute. I feel beautiful in this. It really brings back my like ballerina days. It has a leotard-esque feel. It's definitely dressy enough to pop on a pair of heels with. But what I do like too is like it's short, but it's got a built-in, stuff underneath. So I don't have to worry about bending over. We're secured there. Measurement-wise, I am 34C, 26, 34. I'm like 5'3.5", about 118 pounds. If you need just kind of a guide size-wise, everything extra small definitely fit me and I would not size up. They would be too big for me. So I hope that helps you measurement-wise. And oh my goodness, I don't even want to take this off. I think I should just keep it on until my husband comes home. He'll be like, wow, you're so dressed up at 10 a.m. I definitely recommend and trust the brand. The quality's been awesome. The sizing's been really consistent. I feel like through and through I've been an extra small, but I always just read the reviews before I order anything online just in case one piece is like different. But for me, their brand, I've been an extra small. I think I was most surprised by the dress because I just think of POPFLEX as like an athletic wear company. So it's cool that I can get kind of different needs from one place. So I could get my Friday night look and, my Pilates outfit all at the same stop. So have a great day. My name's Lindsay. Thanks for joining me here on Pilates On Demand for a POPFLEX unboxing and haul. And I will see you guys later. Bye.